What is up, everybody? Today we are waiting here on the side of the road to watch the Farmers Parade of Lights. The stands for Tyrone, Hayden, Enniskillen, and Enfield. So it's 4 different places. They've come together. They've put together these fabulous tractors for us to watch. I've done this, I think, 2 years in a row now. So we're just waiting for them to come on by now. I'll show you guys all the parade. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Let's see what this is all about. They are.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Hi.
Candy canes.
Sure. Thank you.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas. No, not yet. Wow. Look how big that is. We got cows in there. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Oh, look, there's turkeys in there. Yeah. Look, there's Santa in there. Merry Christmas. Look. Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, we're gonna get some. Merry Christmas. Look at it go. Merry Christmas.
For a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling.
There's Snoopy. I think they might be collecting for the food bank.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You too. For food bank.
Let it be Christmas everywhere, in the hearts of all people,
There he is. Merry Christmas. Yeah, he's a skinny one. Merry Christmas. Yep, now we got the end of it here. Just the police cars. And that's it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the parade as much as we did. We are now heading out. Thanks everybody for coming along. If you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe, and we will catch you guys all in the next video.